Good morning, you guys. I just wanted to jump on here real quick because I've been seeing a lot of drama about the Archon mount. I think it's the owner. Anyway, I don't want to get into all that, but I just wanted to share with you guys like an alternative that I found a little while back. Because honestly, the Archon mount seemed a little expensive for me. I imagine it's a great product, but I just couldn't justify that price. Let me flip you all around here and show you the alternative that I got. Every part of this is adjustable. I got it off Amazon. Ready? $29.99. Not $140. You can adjust it down or all the way up. I think it extends to 31.5 inches, and like each part of this arm is adjustable. Like it swings this way, or at least 180 degrees. Anyway, this can completely go the opposite direction. Same with this at the head. And then this here rotates down and up as well. So it's made to hold a computer monitor. So like it's super sturdy and stout. So right up here is a little screw hole that, and I think actually that screw came with this mount. But this is my UB's ring light that came with a tripod that had this phone mount attached to it as part of the package or whatever. So I just stuck this, I just screwed it on right here. Anyway, it just screws right on there. And then you can, like I said, adjust, sorry guys, trying to do this one-handed and let you guys see. You can adjust it down, and then like this arm can swing this way and give yourself a good area to work in. It's got these little clips here to hold like your cords, either from your ring light or your phone charger or whatever. Anyway, the cords go in there. And it's got another one here for the cords to go into. Anyway, it holds the cords back to keep them out of shot. And like I said, I just started a YouTube channel, so that's why I purchased this, to give myself an aerial view of recording. I will put a link in my YouTube description, but hope this helps somebody. Have a good day, guys.